Hey guys, Cal and Diode Dynamics. Excited to introduce our SS3 fog light kit for the 05 to 09 and 13 to 19 Subaru Outback.
As you can see with our SS3 fog light kit installed, not only does it give you a fresh modern look, but it'll also give you a significant increase in light output over any factory fog option. Unlike some other fog light kits on the market that require you to do extra cutting or drilling, our SS3 fog light kits were designed to be a direct bolt-on plug-and-play fitment requiring no extra modification. We offer SS3 fog light kits in two separate SAE compliant optics. One in a 6000K cool white driving optic that puts light in a concentrated area. This is designed to be used as a supplemental high beam. We also offer a fog light optic in our 6000K cool white and a 3000K selective yellow as you see here. This puts light directly in front of the vehicle in over an 80-degree spread. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 fog light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.